Hi Asad, this is Biplav speaking. Today is the first day of this week. So we started of our work in the morning as well as, and today I have got many tasks when I open my task list and got some type of works you already scheduled, and then I am go over there and check my mail, others, and beta team also, Ratak channel. So after meeting with you, then I go for some work as you scheduled today for us. Today I am cannot research work, so first I work on the transformation Uber suggestion, and I check out all the video and try to do that because of you give me the password for sign in. So I do for November. I open it and go to the November, October to November, October to 9 to November 4. So today I work as practice. So I do this week, and all the result I got here and set. This is a weekly report you see here. Please check out what about that, and set the weekly daily report and weekly total hour, work schedule hour, and weekly total value, and also put down the tip that is 30.21. Here is the file of this week, tip this, and direct deposit like this, and also here the November 1, November 2 and November 3, and I put it as your instruction, copy and paste over here at the bottom side. So doing this, and please check out whatever it is, and also work on a KGI to give us the detail and Darren password number and mail number. I tried, but we cannot open it this side because of maybe the password or something is wrong actually. Rabbi also tried, and I tried, but I cannot open. But Asad J is open, but Direl and Darren number cannot open. So please check out about that and there have any issue maybe. So that is our work actually today. Tomorrow we will do another work. This is process is working as setting over here. We are working over here. We discuss with others, with Rabbi and me discussing, and set it here. And Equator resource inventory file, Rabbi also working on that file. So tomorrow we will discuss about DRL and Cody's password matter. What about that actually? And we will try the schedule work of research. So now this is it actually. So thank you for watching my video.